What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick overview tutorial of the Wrike project management platform and its different features. So Wrike is a great platform that you can use whether yourself or with your team if you're working on a team to improve your productivity, to manage your projects, get analytics, have many views of the same projects and so much more. So to go to their website, that's wrike.com, you will land on their homepage right here. And you'll see they are used by many of the popular companies here. And if you scroll down, you can see some of the features of the platform, such as they give you detailed analytics. You can use many views and manage your projects and your tasks with ease, the way you like it. And here you can also communicate easily with your team members and add custom rules or automations. And here you can see the views options, you can see the automations option, the mobile apps, the dashboard, proofing and request forms, as well as some integrations and other features. Now it's a great platform and you can use it. However, it is not free. So let's take a look at the pricing pretty quickly. If I click on pricing here, you can see they also have a free plan, which you can use if you are getting started. And you have the team plan, the business, enterprise, and pinnacle plan, which goes up to whichever you agree with them on. The team plan is $980, and the business plan is $24.80 per user per month. So here you can compare the benefits of each plan to see for yourself which is the best for you. But for this video, I'll stick to the free plan. So I'll click here on Get Started. I should enter my business email to sign up. Okay, I've added it. Now click on Sign Up Now. And now I should add my full name, my email, my company name, and then continue the sign up process. Okay, and then I agree to the terms of services and privacy policy. Now click on Next. And you get some questions to better understand your company. So how many people? Let's say 2 to 25. How many people do you plan on collaborating with? Let's say 6 to 10. Next. Okay, start. What's your team or department? Let's say I am in the marketing. What's your job role? Say I am the manager. Okay, next. Now here you can start adding your team members. However, I don't want to add them right now. And now they are just creating my main dashboard. And here it is. So now I'm on my main dashboard. Here you have the inbox, you have your inbox, you have your recent messages and recent notifications. And now I have the spaces. Now in Wrike you have spaces, so I can view the personal space, I can share it, I can add another space if I want to. And I have the space overview. So if I add a new space, I'm redirected to the templates page of the spaces. So I can here select a template to build my space on. And you can scroll down here to view all the available templates. So, and you can also filter them. So let's say I am for client projects. Okay, and I get an overview here of how it looks like and a short description. And if I like it, I can select it and apply it, and the new space will be created. Okay, now I have two spaces, the client projects and the personal space. And I can switch between them. Let's go to the client project. Here I have the table view. As you can see here, I have the clients for all the clients, client 1, client 2, and the projects for each client. And here I have the initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, and closing. So I have here all the steps for the project management, and the status here I can click to change the status of each step here. So let's say the initiation is in progress, and for this project the planning is completed, and for this 201 it's in progress, and the 10103 it's on hold. So here I can complete the statuses for each one, and here I have the assignee, the status, the start date, and the due date. I can add other attributes such as location, files, importance, and I can search these fields or attributes to add whatever I want. Now here I can add a view. Here I have table, board view, such like Trello, and I have chart view, and I can add classic view, classic board view. So let's add a board here. And let's name it test board. Okay, anyone can access, create, and here it is. So now these projects are like divided into, or like the initiations or the steps are divided into boards. I have new, I have in progress, and I have completed, and I can move any task here between boards. So I can move the monitoring and controlling here into completed. Okay, and I can add boards as well. I can add columns as well. So here I have on hold, I have cancelled, and so on. So here I can switch between the different views by swiping or going back, and I can add a different view as well. And I can sort the task by priority. I can view the columns, groups, and cards. Now here I can go ahead and I have only one member. I can add bookmarks. I can view the settings for this space. Can edit the name here. I can add a description. I can add the privacy, make it private or public. So let's rename it to test client project. Okay, and I'm the admin. Save the changes. Okay, now close it. And let's go here. In the project overview, I have 3 project folders. I have the intake, projects by client, and projects by quarters. Let's view the intake. And here I have 2 options, ready to launch projects and incoming projects. I can add a new item here. So projects to be planned. Okay, and I can add here, I can click on here to add a new task. Okay, I can view here the overview of the projects. Here I can add a sub item. Let's name it, for example, sub project. Okay. Now this is the item sub project, and the status I have new in progress as the status that I showed you. I can assign people. Of course, I haven't added any people, and I can edit a set date here. Let's say the 23rd of May, and to the 18th of June, which is 19 days. Okay, and let's close this view. Now I can view it in the board view as well. Here it is, the projects to be planned. Now I am in the projects and folders intake. I can view the in progress. So this is the project to be planned. I can move it to in progress, and I can view the subtask here, the sub project. I can drag it once I finish it. I can drag it to complete it. Now I can add tasks here in the board view as well by hovering over the list here or the field and clicking on add tasks. So let's say buy milk. Okay, and now the task is added. I can, now this is in planning. Okay, once it's in progress, I'm at the store, I'm buying it. Okay, and once I'm out of the store, I can move it to completed. So these are all the tasks that I have for now. Now let's go back here to my personal space here. I also have a table view, and I can have add a view, add a chart view. Okay, let's name it chart. Of course, nothing will show since I haven't added any status, any projects, any statistics, anything. It's not going to do. However, you can see the types of charts. I have a pie chart, a donut chart, sorry. I have column, I have all kinds of charts that I can add. So that's basically it. That's how it is to manage your projects on the Wrike platform.